What's happening? What?
Hey guys, this is Josh Autumn. We have Natalie back there, Hannah. We were visiting my dad earlier today. If you guys follow our videos, my dad's recovering from triple bypass. Anyways, we're just gonna show you real quick. We are getting ready to take the F-150, the Black Beauty, the Beauty and the Beast or whatever. Anyways, we're gonna take it across on a ferry. So this ferry, I think, is less than $5.
Where did we just go?
We just went for apples at Frisk Orchards near Charlevoix.
Apple cider slushy with vanilla ice cream and caramel whipped cream on top.
And I had a fritter. I don't know, what did I have?
I don't.
Cobbler, apple cobbler. So anyways, I'm going to show you on the map where we're at here. So this is where we're at. We're going to go across the ferry on this little line. It's a ferry that's actually chain driven, and this is the arm of Lake Charlevoix. And there's the rest of Lake Charlevoix. Charlevoix is one of the prettiest lakes up in the northern lower peninsula of Michigan. So anyways, I will show you the line, and here comes the ferry. I'll get outside and video a little bit of this. Here comes the ferry. Okay, she's laughing. We have apples all over floating around. They'll be fine. They'll make good applesauce. Our oldest and youngest come up from Oklahoma and help my parents this week with my dad from recovery. And we've had a tradition of always going to the apple orchards and doing fall color tour drive. So thanks a lot for following along. There's the Adventure Rhoades. Hit like, hit subscribe, and you guys have a great fall. And what's your traditions during the fall? Put your comments below.